I'm Uma Badetti. I'm a general manager for AWS Lambda Mesh, and I've been with Amazon for 10 years now. We've just grown really by leaps and bounds. I mean, we just had a handful of services probably 10 years back, and now we're at like over 200 services and growing. I think with AWS, the fascinating thing is the pace of innovation. The most amazing part for me being at Amazon and what's kept me going for the last 10 years, and I've never stayed for 10 years in another company. But with Amazon, I think the pace of innovation hasn't slowed down, right? We are still a very day one company. And I think one of the things that I tell leaders is that you come in and then you really need to understand the culture of the company and really think about how do you think for the next 4-5 years. We have a lot of very strong leadership in AWS. And then I have never seen a case where I've reached out to a leader for help and I've not gotten the help. The leaders are always there to help you, to mentor you, to coach you. I have a couple of mentors and they're always available for me. Diversity and inclusion are very important. And when I talk about diversity, it's really not about the way you look or your gender or whatever, right? It's also about the way you think. You're bringing in a lot of diverse perspectives. And that I think is very important because when we are building products, we are not building products for a set of people. We are building global products. There are perceptions out there that people who work at Amazon don't have a work-life balance. I don't like the phrase work-life balance. I really like to use the phrase work-life harmony. I have a family, I have 2 demanding children, and I've been able to manage just fine. And I think Amazon has given me a lot of flexibility in terms of if I have to take my child to a doctor's appointment, I block that time off, and then if there's some work pending, I can make up for it some other part of the day. I love to travel, and I travel extensively. Every quarter I'm on a vacation, and it's not true that you can't take vacations or anything, right? It's just that you have to figure out how are you able to deliver your work commitments and also have fun. And I love the Amazon phrase, and I use it in all my talks: work hard, have fun, make history.